I got an interesting tip today. Remember that barbaric beast named the Rhino? Apparently last night he almost escaped from his cell in the raft. How, you ask? Well, no one there seems to know, but they assure me he's been relocated to a more secure cell. Now, I'm no expert on Supermax prisons, but isn't the whole point of them that there isn't anything else more secure? I mean, he's a 700-pound maniac with an indestructible horn. If there's a more secure cell, why wasn't he in it?
All units, a truck carrying an armed explosive is evading pursuit. Backup needed in the meatpacking district. Over.
Control, do we have an update on the situation in Clinton?
Demons are attacking Outpost Romeo. Send backup.
Hey, MJ.
All right, I picked up a bunch of stuff at the store. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Swinging over now. Prepare to be amazed.
All units, officers are in pursuit of mass terrorists with a bomb. Report came in from Clinton. Over.
Demons in the front two cars. Plus a bomb rig to explode. Need to stop them. Long time no see. I'm losing them. Like a leisurely Sunday chase through the city, right, guys? I'm back! Really messed that one up.
Good man, Spider-Man.
This is Sable Control. Do we have an update on the situation in Clinton?
APC officer under fire.
Now here's a frightening point. Oscorp does research and development for the military. Are the demons after experimental weapons? If I was a psychotic cult, I would be. I wonder where they got the idea. What highly visible figure has made a career out of fighting madmen with lethal experimental technology like light tectonic gauntlets and gigantic scorpion tails? No, don't say the name! I just ate.
You're in over your head. Surrender.
Oh, I get it. You demons have backup waiting just up the street to make me think I'm winning and then dash my hopes, right? Glad I was here. Demons were gonna overwhelm those Sable agents. Hello?
Calling agent stationed in the Tenderloin. What's your status?
Outpost X-ray under attack. It's the demon.
Spider-Man was Okay, the people in the top floor apartments are really annoyed with you right now. I guess you lost me. Shake it off. Whoever Sable ought to put me on the payroll.
Get a team over there. I want those demons questioned. All units, officers are in pursuit of multiple hostile vehicles. Officers needed south of Houston.
Guys, we all love a parade, but you gotta get permits first. Here's your stuff. Damn bomb in the truck. Gotta get it out of here. These demons must have crazy insurance premiums.
All units on alert. Reported robbery of an armored vehicle. Location is south of Houston.
It's close.
Going.
This is Sable Control. What's the situation south of Houston?
Demons are firing on TCP Bravo. Need backup.
Peter! You are not gonna believe what happened. So you know that address you gave me? I went there.
MJ.
I know, but wait.
What is this?
Just listen. This is the address Pete found. Men are all carrying firearms. What is this place? That office. Might be something inside that connects this to Lee. Need to get back there.
Huh? What was that? What dumbass can't...
So what's the boss doing with the money from his Lee job?
Grave dust, man.
What
All that
are they
cash is
building?
going straight into grave
Is
dust.
this all for Lee?
You tried any yet?
Only samples. Boss is still perfecting the recipe, but man. It's got a kick.
Careful.
I hear something. I'm hearing things.
Easy does it. What kind of vehicle needs tires this big?
Where is it? I swear I left it over here.
Yo, has anyone seen the 316 socket driver?
Hey, when do we get a new recip saw?
Hey, anyone pick up more beer after our last run?
is this? Some kind of military hardware? There's the office. A lot of men in the way, though.
Yo, man. Why's the boss being so intense about putting GPS trackers on everything?
Protecting trade secrets. Doesn't want any word on grave dust leaking out.
Still, Phil's paranoid.
Who asked you? Get back to work.
We're gonna pick up some more supplies.
Not till we toss the empties. Boss wants them lost in a Jersey swamp by next week.
Grave dust is pretty under the table, I guess.
Yeah, under the table, the floor, and the first few layers of the Earth's crust, yeah.
Those barrels seem important. Alchemax. Why is that so familiar? What's in these?
Boss, come on! We'll never notice!
Tombstone.
You're right, Rick. Won't notice? Cause it won't be there.
God damn it! I said I'll fix it!
You got some stones, Rick. Let's see if they break. Such a disappointment. And now I need a new welder.
Can't turn back now. Need to get into that office.
Where's that wrench?
Everything is ready.
Come on now.
Made it.
I swear I heard something.
Blueprints. An APC. This is what they're building for Lee. But why does he need an armored vehicle? There must be something else in this office. GPS trackers. What is Tombstone using these for?
All right, boys. Time to move. Get the gear from my office.
Time to go.
Okay, I want to say don't ever do that again, but since I know you're going to anyway, here. Take a few of those next time.
Nice. Thanks.
You know Tombstone is crazy and pretty much invincible, right?
Everybody has their weakness. Mine is... whatever you're cooking right now. It smells amazing.
The chicken curry. Just needs some time to simmer.
No dumplings, I hope.
You're never gonna let me live that one down, are you?
Nope.
The Great Dumpling Catastrophe.
I still can't believe they evacuated the entire building.
I know, and in January, too. Your neighbors hated me.
Yeah, they were pretty happy when we broke up.
Yeah.
So, let's talk about what you found in Lee's office.
Well, Lee clearly has issues with Norman Osborn.
Yeah, but why?
I don't know yet. But his next move looks like it involves Devil's Breath, whatever that is.
Yeah. I'll dig into it. So I was thinking, what if we teamed up?
What, you want to be my sidekick? Like a spider girl? Spider woman?
No.
Woman.
No, not a sidekick. A partner.
Oh. Not again.
Hey, it's your crime system thingy. Looks like a residential break-in.
Charles Standish.
That sounds familiar. Oh, Oscorp CFO. Wait. You don't think this has anything to do with Lee, do you?
Sorry to cook and run.
Did you just leave your clothes on the kitchen floor?
Where do you want me to,
Just the couch is fine.
See you later?
Yeah.
Can you, lift something heavy? Hey, it's me.
This curry is legit.
So what do we know about Charles Standish?
Let's see. Chief Financial Officer at Oscorp, single, known for his art collection.
If Lee's after him, it's gotta be related to Devil's Breath.
I'll run a search on everything in that file.
Let me know the second you find something. I think Lee might be planning something even worse than City Hall.
So, are we partners now? 'Cause it sure feels like we are.
Partners. Sounds good.
Okay. See ya, partner.
It started, folks. I'm getting word of a serious increase in the drug trade in our fair city. And it's not the demons or Wilson Fisk's former people. Criminals across the board are getting bolder. Just as I predicted, the rats are crawling out of their holes, sensing weakness and opportunity. No one listened to me before. I pray they'll listen to me now. Be careful out there.
Police look like they could use some help. There's probably more of them inside. You guys stay here. Somebody was in a hurry. You're hurt.
I'm okay. But you gotta find Mr. Standish, fast. Those guys in the masks kidnapped him and forced him up to his place. He lives in the penthouse, top floor.
Okay, sit tight. So glad you're here. I can't find my car. Could have sworn I parked on this level. Wait, you guys work here too? This building is serious about parking enforcement.
他怎么做到的？你的本事不值一提。失败。
Good fight. A for effort. Elevator won't work. They know I'm here. But maybe I can sneak up through the elevator shaft. should be able to make it up to the penthouse from here. If I get closer, I can take him out. Okay, almost there.